Hello everyone, welcome to the Svanoe English Vocabulary School. It's Monday, December 16th, show number 591. Here are the two words we will learn today. The first one we use in sports, and the second one means to do something one more time. Please listen and write this in your notebook. The ball is black and white. The ball is black and white. Ball. B-A-L-L. Did you get it right? A ball is round and it rolls, and we use it to play games. Now let's make a flashcard for ball and remember it forever. Please write ball up here in the top left corner, B-A-L-L. Down here in this corner, N1. This means noun, level 1. Over here in this corner, the number 11 out of 200. Now I'll show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Here it is. Can you say it? Very good. Ball. Please write this up here in the top right corner. What about you? Do you play with a ball sometimes? Let me know in the comment section. Now let's do word number 2 for today. Please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob will play tennis again. Please write this in your notebook. Bob will play tennis again. Bob will play tennis again. He finished playing tennis, but now he will play tennis one more time. Now let's make a card for again and remember it forever. Please write this up here in the top left corner. The basic form is to do something again. Down here in the bottom left corner, the category, adverb 1. 1 means level 1. ADV means adverb. And over here the number, 1 out of 42. Here is the IPA. Can you say it? Very good. Again. 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 Please write that up here in the top right corner. Class is over. Today we learned the ball. And to do something again. Very good. Bye-bye, everyone. If you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. The first one is like a coliseum. It's a place where we watch a game or a concert. The second one is a person that is related to your husband or your wife. And the last one is a way to cook something in an oven. I'll see you tomorrow, everybody. Bye-bye. And if you are a new student, welcome to our school. We learn 2 words every day, and we write them on paper flashcards, and we remember them forever. This is a complete 2-year course. We learn 2 words every day. Our December schedule until the 25th. And we will begin again on January 1st. You need a notebook, a pen, and flashcards to study here. That's it, nothing else. We have a rotating schedule, so you can join anytime. Why not today? We use these very much in our school. And please write your language on the other side of the card and remember it forever. You can meet a speaking partner in our program with this hashtag. My name is Vinny. See you tomorrow.